In this short video, we will learn about pointer arithmetic, the very basics of pointer arithmetics, and later we will get some more advanced examples after the exercises when we learn about complex structures and so on. Okay, in this video we want to focus on pointer arithmetics, and this is a way to use pointers with arrays, for example. First of all, I will repeat a little about the arrays, if maybe you forgot it already. We initialized an array like this, and this syntax meant that we are going to initialize an array with 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't have to set the value inside the brackets because it will be initialized automatically. And if we want to print out all of the elements of our array, we can use a for loop or a while loop. In this case, I would prefer the for loop, and we can just use printf, and I will print out the numbers line by line, and it was something like this. We can compile this now and call our program, and we will just see the expected result 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we will create the same result by using pointers. So we can go ahead and initialize a pointer with our 0 index of the array, and now we can go inside our for loop and get the value of the first index like that. So this will be the first index. If I compile it now and I run it, I will just get 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times 1. Because the loop will still run 4 times, and this is just the value of index 0, so it will be 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and now we can change the memory location of our pointer in a very easy way, and this is just by writing plus plus. You remember plus plus meant is a shorthand syntax for so that means on every loop we are going to change the value of our memory address to the next memory address. This is of course not entirely true, but you get the idea. Okay, if we execute this, we will get the exact same result. And now I want to show you a way you can visualize this behavior. Because our pointer is pointing to the address of the index 0, which is here on the left hand, index 0, we can go to the next step. And the cool thing is that inside of an array, the memory locations are next to each other. So if we could just go to the next memory location, it will just go to the index 1 of our array, and 3 and 4 and so forth. Okay, we just have to take care about the borders of our array, because the problem is if we reach the last index and we will go one step forward, we will not cycle back to the first one. That is not what will happen. What will happen is we will go to the next memory location, and we don't know anything about that value inside of there. So that is a problem. You need to make sure you know the borders, which is why we still kept the incremental variable inside of our for loop. So this is a problem, we need to take care of it, and in the exercises we will see a video, I believe, where we see another way to do this loop regarding our borders. So that's all for this video. Of course, we can also go back, so we can start at the last index and go back. This is also something we can do, but I don't really want to do any more of this topic because it can get quite complicated. So for the basics, this is just enough to know. I don't want to give so much information to you that you can't use because you will be more likely to forget that very fast. So we are just happy with what we learned in this video, and we will make use of this knowledge in our exercises, and after that we will take a look at complex data structures, and then we will go on working with pointers for the rest of our C programming career, really. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy this, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!